Hey, I've got a quick video for you today. This is kind of a tool tip. Recently I had to tighten up an axle nut on Firecracker's Sport Glide. On her Sport Glide, the exhaust comes back past the axle and it's actually in the way of getting the axle nut with the socket. Now, I could have taken the slip-on off, put a socket on it and everything else, but I was checking a video for the torque specs because I don't have a service manual for it yet, and I came across this. So this is about $15. This is a 36mm box here. It fit really good. And it's got a 1/2-inch drive square hole in here, so you can put a torque wrench or a breaker bar or whatever your preferred method is on this. You can slip this up between the exhaust on the nut, tighten it all up. If you're using a torque wrench, you can get it to specs. If you're one of those guys that just likes to tighten it up till you drop a nut, you know, whatever's your deal, that's fine. 15 bucks, I thought it was worth it because I didn't have to take the slip-on off, and I thought it was kind of a cool tool to have, carry on the bike. If you ever had an issue on the road where, you know, thought you needed to tighten the belt or do something else, you need to loosen that nut up, great tool to have. Small, thin, it's pretty heavy made. Unfortunately, I couldn't find one to hold the axle bolt head, so I had to use a socket here in the shop to do that. But I think I'm going to buy a wrench. Most of them are like 16 inches long, and cut it off to make one to carry on the bike in case you had to, you know, take the rear wheel loose for some reason, whether you had, you know, adjust a belt or, you know, something else on the road, or God forbid you got to take the rear wheel off, take it somewhere to get a tire fixed, you know. So anyway, I thought it was a cool tool, thought I'd share it with you guys. There's a link in the description down below if you want to buy it on Amazon. Like I said, it's about 15 bucks. Anything you use, those links down there, there are Amazon affiliate links. Doesn't cost you anything extra, but it supports the channel. I'd make a very small, like 3% commission on average for anything you buy using those links. So if you think this is cool, check it out. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you do that YouTube thing, check out the content on my channel. If you dig it, smash that subscribe button. You all stay safe, keep riding, and we'll see you in the next one.